Daily English context. At the mechanic. Explaining a car problem. Hello, and welcome back to our podcast. I am George. Today, we are talking about something we all do, visiting the mechanic. Let's learn how to talk about car problems.
Hi, everyone. I am Jessica. Yes, having car trouble is not fun at all. But talking about it in English can be very easy. We will take it slow.
That is right. You do not need to know big words to explain a car problem. You just need a few simple phrases. Let's start our drive today with some easy words.
So, George, imagine your car stops working. You need to take it to a person who repairs cars. This person is called a mechanic. They know how to fix the car.
Yes, a mechanic. A mechanic is a person who fixes cars. Sometimes, cars just stop working suddenly on a trip. We say the car breaks down on the road.
Have you ever had a car break down on the road, George? It can be a little scary when it happens, especially if you are far from home.
Yes, I have. My car broke down last year. It just stopped in the middle of the road. I had to call a friendly mechanic for some help that day.
Let's practice that together. Listen to the phrase, break down. Can you say it with us right now? My car broke down on the road. Very good.
Sometimes the car does not break down, but it tries to tell you there is a problem. You might see a small red or yellow light on the screen.
That is called a warning light. A warning light shows up near your steering wheel. It tells you to check the car before you keep driving it.
Exactly. Often, a warning light means there is a problem with the engine. The engine is the large machine inside the front of the car that makes it move.
The engine is very important. Without the engine, the car cannot go anywhere at all. Have you ever seen an engine warning light while you were driving?
Yes, I have. If I see a warning light for the engine, I drive straight to the mechanic. Let's say that word together. Engine. The car engine.
Good job. Now, what if you do not see a light, but you hear something? You might hear a sound that is completely new and not normal.
Ah, yes. We call that a strange noise. A strange noise is a sound that is different or surprising. Cars make strange noises sometimes when they are getting old.
I heard a strange noise last week. Every time I tried to stop my car, I heard a loud sound. It was coming from the car brakes.
The brakes are the parts of the car that make it slow down or stop completely. You push the brakes with your foot. They are very important.
Yes, they are. If your brakes make a strange noise, you should tell the mechanic right away. Can you repeat that word? Brakes. I push the brakes.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about the wheels on the car. Sometimes a rubber wheel loses all of its air while driving. We call this a flat tire on the road.
A flat tire is very common. You cannot drive safely with a flat tire. You have to change the wheel or call someone for help to fix it.
I got a flat tire on my way to the supermarket once. I heard a strange noise, and then the car pulled heavily to one side. I pulled over quickly.
Oh no! A flat tire is very annoying. Another common problem is when liquid comes out of the car. We call this a leak under the car.
Yes, a leak. Sometimes you see dark oil or water on the ground under your car. If you see a leak, it is usually not a good sign.
Let's practice that word. Listen closely to the sound. A leak. Can you try saying it out loud? I see a dark leak under the car.
Great. Now, what if you turn the key and absolutely nothing happens? The engine is totally quiet. The car has no power to turn on. This is a very common problem.
That usually means there is a problem with the battery. The battery holds electricity to help the car start. It gives the entire car its starting power.
I left my car lights on all night once. In the morning, the battery was completely dead. The car would not start at all for me. I had to ask for help.
That happens to a lot of people. If the battery is dead, you need someone to fix it. To fix something means to repair it carefully so it works.
Yes, to fix. When you go to the mechanic, you can simply ask, "Can you fix this problem?" To fix means to make it work again perfectly.
Let's say that simple phrase together. It is very useful. Can you fix this? Very good. You are doing great with these useful car phrases today.
Let's quickly review the 10 new words we learned today. First, a mechanic is the helpful person who repairs cars. They know exactly how everything works inside the vehicle.
And the engine is the large machine inside the car. If the car stops suddenly on the road, we say it breaks down and needs some professional help.
A warning light is a small red or yellow light on your dashboard. A flat tire is a rubber wheel with no air. You cannot safely drive on it.
The brakes help the car slow down and stop. A strange noise is a new sound that is not normal, like a loud squeak or a heavy bump.
A leak is when liquid, like oil or water, drops on the ground below the car. Finally, the battery holds electricity to start the car engine every single morning.
And finally, to fix means to repair the car so it works again perfectly. You learned 10 great new English words today. Great job practicing with us.
You did wonderful listening today. Talking to the mechanic does not have to be scary at all. You can just use simple English to explain any car problem.
Now we have a question for you. Have you ever had a flat tire or a strange car problem? Tell us your story in the comments below.
We really love reading your stories. If you enjoyed this relaxing lesson today, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy daily English practice.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. Have a beautiful, relaxing day, and remember to drive safely out there on the roads. Goodbye, everyone.